What inspired you guys to want to get a job here with Tesla? Because I heard that it's been years for all of you that you've all worked here. So Lei, maybe you can tell me why you initially wanted to work for Tesla.
I wanted to work for Tesla because of the innovation, right? Being on the forefront of pushing technologies forward and really trying to push the boundaries really fast. It's really exciting.
This is exhilarating discoveries, and today we're diving into a game-changing breakthrough that just flipped the entire EV industry on its head. Something strange is happening in the world of electric vehicles, something that might just mark the beginning of the end for gas-powered performance, and maybe even for traditional supercars. Tesla, the company that already shook the auto industry to its core, has done it again. And this time, it's not just about range or self-driving. It's about raw power, about rewriting the laws of physics, about taking everything we thought we knew about speed, acceleration, and electric motors, and throwing it out the window. Elon Musk just unveiled what may be the most advanced motor ever put into a consumer vehicle.
What we really wanted to achieve here is why make this really fast car that's crazy fast and everything? And I think there is something that's quite important to the future of sustainable energy, which is that we got to show that an electric car is the best car, hands down.
A new kind of engine, quiet, compact, and so powerful, it's making even the fastest internal combustion engines look like outdated museum pieces. It's called the carbon-wrapped rotor, and it changes everything. At first glance, it might seem like just another Tesla innovation. A new motor, a slightly faster acceleration time, another incremental upgrade. But once you understand how this technology actually works and what it's capable of, you begin to realize this isn't just an upgrade, it's a quantum leap.
And then something we're really proud of is the new carbon-sleeved rotors for the motor. So this is the first time that to the best of our knowledge, there's been a production electric motor that has a carbon overwrapped rotor. So this is a super hard thing to do because carbon and copper have at very different rates of thermal expansion. So in order to do a carbon overwrapped rotor, you've got to wind it at extremely high tension.
Here's the truth. Traditional electric motors are fast. Some of the best can spin at 16,000 RPM, rotations per minute. That's fast enough to launch a car from 0 to 60 in 3 or 4 seconds. Impressive, but not revolutionary. Tesla's new carbon-wrapped motor blows right past that limit, 20,000 RPM. That's not just a performance improvement, that's shattering the ceiling. It means faster acceleration, higher top speeds, and more efficient energy transfer, all while keeping the motor cooler and more durable than anything that's ever come before. The secret? Carbon fiber. Not on the outside of the car, not in the interior trim, but inside the motor itself. Tesla's engineers developed a new technique to wrap the rotor, the spinning heart of the motor, in tightly wound carbon fiber. This isn't just for show. This carbon wrap allows the rotor to spin much faster without flying apart under the intense forces. It holds everything together under unimaginable stress. It's light, it's heat resistant, and it's so strong it pushes the boundaries of what's physically possible inside a vehicle. And the result? Acceleration so violent, so immediate, it makes Ferraris and Lamborghinis feel sluggish. Tesla's new plaid models, equipped with the carbon-wrapped motor, can hit 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. That's faster than a Bugatti Chiron, faster than any street-legal gas-powered car in history, all with 0 emissions and barely a sound. But this isn't just about speed, it's about efficiency. Because with this new design, Tesla has somehow managed to increase performance while using less energy. Think about that. Not only are these vehicles moving faster, they're doing it with greater precision and less waste. It's the equivalent of making a jet engine quieter, more powerful, and more fuel efficient, all at the same time. No other company is even close. The competition is still trying to catch up to where Tesla was 5 years ago. Meanwhile, Musk has skipped several steps ahead into territory no one else is even attempting. And here's what makes it even more mind-blowing. Tesla isn't keeping this technology locked away. This isn't some concept prototype behind glass. It's already in production, already being built, already on the road. Oh, how did they pull it off? It wasn't easy. In fact, Elon Musk himself admitted the process of wrapping the rotor with carbon fiber was a nightmare. The materials behave differently under high temperatures. They expand at different rates. Getting everything to fit perfectly, to not explode under 20,000 RPM, required completely rethinking how motors are built. The manufacturing had to be reinvented. The tolerances had to be exact down to microscopic levels. But they did it. And now what used to be science fiction is becoming standard. This is what makes Tesla different. They don't just build cars, they break the rules of physics. While legacy automakers worry about adding touchscreens and cosmetic tweaks, Tesla is reinventing propulsion itself. Not for headlines, but for dominance. Because this carbon-wrapped motor isn't just a flex, it's a declaration of war. It means the future of performance won't be Italian. It won't run on gasoline. It won't sound like thunder, it'll be silent, electric, and so fast it'll feel like time itself is bending. And it gets even deeper. This technology paves the way for smaller, lighter, and more powerful EVs. Not just cars, but everything. Trucks, delivery vans, maybe even electric aircraft. Once you have a motor that efficient, that durable, and that scalable, the possibilities multiply. We're looking at the beginning of a whole new era. One where electric vehicles don't just replace gas, they completely outperform them in every category. Cleaner, faster, stronger, smarter. And if you think this is the final form, think again. Elon Musk has hinted there's more coming, that the carbon-wrapped motor is just the beginning, the foundation, a stepping stone towards something even bigger. Some speculate it's the groundwork for Tesla's rumored next-generation roadster, the car that's supposed to break every speed record on Earth. Others believe it's a key part of Musk's long-term plan for electric flight. Whatever it is, one thing's clear. Tesla isn't slowing down. In fact, they're accelerating, faster than ever. And now, thanks to a motor that spins at 20,000 RPM and bends the very limits of engineering, the rest of the world is struggling just to keep up. What we're witnessing isn't just a new chapter in automotive history, it's the rewriting of the book entirely. Elon Musk didn't just make EVs cool, he just made them unstoppable. Thanks for watching Exhilarating Discoveries. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Tesla's mind-blowing breakthrough, hit that like button, subscribe for more insane tech revelations, and ring the bell so you never miss a future-shaping discovery. The future is arriving faster than ever, and we're here to uncover every second of it.